Hey guys, so I am about to go and wet the mess out of this hair. Here is the hair after it has been completely drowned in water. So I'm going to let this air dry and I will be back. Don't forget your heat protectant. I am not going to put a lot at all.
You can be my teacher, I'll do homework. You can give me extra credit, baby, I'll do more work. What you wanna do, now it's me and you move. Looking for somebody I can call through. Looking for the only one that I can give my all to. Tell me if it's you. What you wanna do, make a move. You can be my teacher, I'll do homework. You can give me extra credit, baby, I'll do more work. What you wanna
It took me only like 15 minutes to straighten, and I did one pass on 360 degrees, and this is how straight it is, guys. And this hair is so thick. Do you see this? This is crazy. This is like matching my hair texture. I'm gonna leave this straight for a day just to see how it acts, and then I will come back and let you guys know. Yeah, the hair did good. The weather here, it has been raining a lot, and so the weather has been mad humid. And so this hair started to revert slightly, like a wave. The wave has started to come back in. I'm going to go in and curl this hair. I'm gonna curl it with the curling wand.
looking for somebody I can call through. Looking for the only one that I can give my all to. Tell me if it's what you wanna do, make a move. You can be.
This hair definitely does curl. And it's pretty too. And I will be back to let you all know if these curls fall at all. And then after that, I will be wetting this hair to see if it will revert back to its natural texture. I'm coming at y'all with day 2 curls. And as you can see, they have more than fallen. I actually went in and I co-washed it, conditioner washed it, and I used the coconut milk by Organics. So that's what I did, and now I'm just waiting for it to air dry. Hopefully it reverts. Hey guys, so I just got back from work, and this is the hair, 100% dry. I don't know about y'all, but I'm really feeling this hair. This beauty supply store hair. What?